Good morning. So not as bright as yesterday, but never mind. Today we are going to be doing some inverse, which is missing number problems. Now I really would, even if you're going to do the level 2 today, I really would advise looking at the level 1 video, because in that one, I remind you how we worked it out with smaller numbers, and it also does help to get your mind around things. Okay, so do watch the level 1 video, and you don't have to carry on with those, you can always come back to this way. Okay, so this is the level 2, so I'm going to be using, just going to show you this sheet today. Okay, so I'm going to upload it today and I'll use it as we're going through, because it's got two things that can really help us when we've got missing number problems. Okay, so I'm just going to put that on there. Okay, so I'll do the first one and I'll explain what that means. So the first one I've got in here, okay, so I've got something, add 8 equals 11. Now, I do have, I would imagine, a lot of children that could probably do this without doing a method. However, when the numbers get bigger, that is what we have struggled with. Okay, so I think it's still good to sort of go through the sheet. Okay, so the sheet says, missing number at the beginning, do the inverse, you are winning. Got to love schools, they love a good rhyme. Okay, so that one again was missing number at the beginning, do the inverse, you are winning. Inverse means opposite. Okay, so what is the opposite to adding? Taking away. Okay, they are kind of linked that way. So if I want to figure out what the missing number is, I have to do the opposite. So instead of doing something add 8 equals 11, I'm going to use the numbers I've got. 11 take away 8. Okay, so if I do 11 take away 8, okay, and whichever method you're using is absolutely fine. I'm going to just use the tens ones. Some of them might do it in their heads, absolutely fine. But I'm just going to use that method. So I've got 1 10 and I've got 1 1. Okay, and I'm going to take away 8 ones. There's a problem here. Can't do it, can I? So what can I do? I can change this 10 into 10 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now I can take 8 off. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, which leaves me with 3. So if I put in my missing number now, I have got, I always put the bigger number first in my head, 8 add 3, 8, 9, 10, 11. So we know it's correct. Okay. Now in the level 1 video, I do refer to this equal sign. It means balance. Okay. So what is on this side, 11, has to be on that side, 11. So it's basically just saying 11 equals 11. So that's what equals means. It means balance. What is on one side must be on the other. Okay. Right. Let's try another one. Okay. Okay, now this one is a takeaway, that's absolutely fine. So 10 take away something equals 6. Now if you use the sheet, it says missing number in the middle, do a subtraction and solve the riddle. So it's basically saying if I do 10 take away 6, I will get my answer. Now that's a number bond, so I'm hoping. What's the missing number? 4, okay, because 6 add 4 equals 10. But if you need to work it out, that's absolutely fine. So, just to show you the balance again, okay. So, if on this side I've got 10 take away 4, and I'm going to show you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, take away 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, I'm left with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so I've got 6 equals 6. Balance. Okay, little tricky to get your head around, just do bear with it. If you use the sheet today, it will really help, but it is a lot to get your minds around. Okay, if you're struggling with this, go do level 1. It'll give you that confidence to then move on to level 2 later in the week. Okay, so please don't worry. Right, I'm going to do one more, and this one always stumps a few if you write it like this. Whenever I usually write these ones up on the board, the children would always start by saying, that's not right because you've got equals there. But we've learnt now that you can turn a sum around with this, because all it's saying is 8 equals something add 5. Okay, so let's go back to the sheet. It says missing number at the beginning. No, we've got the number there. So missing number in the middle, do a subtraction and solve the riddle. Okay, so that's takeaway. Okay, so let's do that. If I do a subtraction, I will do 8 take away 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And I'm going to take away 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many am I left with? 3. Let's check this out. 5 add 3. 5, 6, 7, 8. So I've got 8 on this side and 8 on this side, meaning 8 equals 8. Balance. Okay? So missing number problems are notoriously hard. So please don't worry if this takes a little bit of extra time. But hopefully the sheet will help a little bit. Just keep reading it. If there's a missing number at the beginning, do the inverse, the opposite, and you are winning. Missing number in the middle, do a subtraction and solve the riddle. Okay? Hopefully that will be okay, but please don't worry. Just try your best. I know you're doing amazing work at home, so just keep up with it. All right. Hopefully see you soon. Bye.